My beautiful people, I just want to take your short time quickly to say this important topic that I think you may be in the position to benefit it, or people that you know, if you have siblings, if you have brothers and sisters, or even well-wishers that is in this category that I will mention, take it into consideration of alerting them on what to do, or be a pusher, a pull or push factor in their life. That is what I want to do. I just want to create awareness because something just happened to my friend, relatives. Something just happened to one of my friend's relatives. And that which happened is what I've been telling him, but he never did anything about it. He just, believed nothing will happen. So who am I talking about? I'm talking about those who are in this category. I will mention about 3 people. First, if you know you are living in the north and you are a Christian, I'm talking about people in Nigeria because these are the area I'm really focusing in this video. If you are in the north and you are not feeling very well at night, in the night or at night, you will be afraid. In as much you are receiving fear at night, please, if you are in this area whereby things are not going well at night, this area where Boko Haram and herdsmen are bombasting people, I don't mean you must be there. If you have siblings, that is why I'm doing this video. If you have people who are living that area, please. We don't want to lose more than what we have lost. Please be a speaker. Be the mouthpiece to reach your siblings, your well-wishers, people you know that are living in that area where they are killing people. Especially because some people wouldn't even have any fear because they have invested all their life in that northern area. Some people have invested a lot. So I just want us to work together as a team. I have started calling some people that I'm not even related to, simply that I know them. They are living in the north. I kind of want to push them. If you know what to do, please. We just lost some people recently. That is why NJ made this video. And I don't want whereby it won't cost me anything. It won't cost you anything to just say, "Na bikonu, putana from there." Even if you have €1, 1 naira to add to their struggle, that wouldn't cost you much. Let it be that you have been saying something and not when something just happened, because that is what my friend is doing now. One family, the father of that family, the breadwinner of that family was killed. And this touches my heart. It bleeds my heart. Oh, the man went out for normal hustle. They had beside in that canoe inside one village there. And right now, things are internally, silently happening. Anya get you until Oruta our side, eastern side. Let's begin now to buckle up. That is why I'm doing this video. If you know, even in the east, that when you go to bed at night, you don't feel fine, call on the region, call upon the youths. Soro engineer a process to strengthen the security in that village. I'm not talking about Ndinona and North this time. I'm not saying you should relocate from the village, our place. I'm talking relocation is meant for people known at the north. ndị nọ na n'ime this remote village where nobody want to know what is going on there. Arụ na-eme n'ime ebe ahụ. Things are happening. What I heard yesterday, it made me shed tears. It made me want to do this video beyond what I'm doing now. This is the only platform that I can raise my voice and shout. Please share this video to kind of hit the ears of these our people on and not. I'm not saying you should just start to run away. I'm talking about start to plan. When in a house that you need to sell, begin now to sell it, not when it is no more value, not when there is also everywhere helter-skelter, then you start to make such provision. Start it now. Start now to find a way to this, you will be able to make a good bargaining right now that things are still normal. But don't be angry with me. Why I'm doing this video is somehow ranty, and why I'm doing it because I heard the news of what just happened to the family to the family of my friend. And this guy is too dear to me. But all I asked him was, have you ever one day sound to them or to their ear, come back home, leave that area? Have you ever done that one day? He said no. After all, they are mature, they are adults. They are adults, but this may happen. This is why we are doing this. Please, I just want to reach out to you, whoever you are, wherever you may be. If you have siblings in the north, living those areas, at those places where they are not trustworthy, those places where the Boko Harams are bombasting, the herdsmen live there. Especially if you are also living in the area whereby, even if it's not yet captured, but you are not feeling fine at night, begin to think how to relocate. We are going to begin to, it's better you go to the west than to stay in the north, especially in that area. I just want to drop this the way it is to me and in my heart, that can suppose you Ibro, our brother's keeper, and it may not do much. The only thing you may want to do is to sound like a trumpet, reach out for people who may listen to you. Thank you for listening, and see you in my next video. In fact, tomorrow I will be here with you to talk one or two important topics that I have seen relevant. Thank you and remain blessed. Good night. And extend my regard to your family and your friends. Bye.